हेलो स्टूडेंट्स आम ये वीडियो रे रिलेशन चैप्टर रो गोटे क्वेश्चन करबा ए रिलेशन चैप्टर रो क्वेश्चन आंसर करबा बहुत सहज हेले तार कांसेप्ट को बुझिथिबा दरकार ठीक से आउ ए क्वेश्चन को ठीक रे बुझी परिबा दरकार। क्वेश्चन दिया है जे लिस्ट द मेंबर्स ऑफ इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशंस डिफाइंड बाय द फॉलोइंग पार्टीशन ऑन x जो i 2i 3i ए तीनटे जन करे सब x रो पार्टीशन दिया है। सो पार्टीशन कोन ऑलरेडी हमें लास्ट क्लास रे बुझी सारिचे जोटी देखंतु 1 2 3 4 ए जो सेटा ये होची गोटे पार्टीशंस फॉर द सेट x कहीं से समस्त यूनियन होची से x सेट। सो ये जो पार्टीशंस ऊपर जो इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन सब हबो ता मेंबर्स गुडा इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन नो मेंबर गुडा सब कोन कोन सब हे पारे। फर्स्ट कथा ए पार्टीशन रो ए सेट ऊपर जो इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन हबो आंसर हम करबा फर्स्ट बिट रो 1 रो इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन हबो 1 1 ये हैला गोटे इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन ए पार्टीशन ऊपर पार्टीशन रो जो गोटे एलिमेंट अछि 1 तार मेंबर हैला ए तो आर गोटे के हबो 2 2 गोटे हबो 2 2 सेट ये भी गोटे इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन r1 ये होची गोटे r2 ए सेट ऊपर इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन टे कोन हबो r3 रो 3 3 4 4 3 4 4 3 so all the relations are all the members of the party equivalence relations are 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 3 4 and 4 3 so we can write so the members of equivalence relations are 1 1 this is 2 2 3 3 4 4 3 4 and 4 3 so these are the members of the equivalence relations of the past. Similarly question number जो 2 3 करी कमेंट रे शेयर कर एबे हमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 करबा ले ठीक से को बुझिया दरकार ए जो रिलेशन गुडा पाइबा पई ए जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 रो जो कहउची ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ द इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन टू फाइंड ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ द इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशंस व्हाट विल डू टेकिंग दिस पार्टीशन एंड सिंपली फाइंड द कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट सपोज let this is p1 is partition 1 is 1 its Cartesian product p1 cross p1 cross p1 is 1 1 only so this is an equivalence relation. Similarly this is partition 2 p2 find p2 cross p2 so this will be another relations. Find 3 4 as a partition 3 and find p3 cross p3 you will find all the elements of the equivalence relations. Similarly we will try for question number 2 and 3. Now we will do question number 5. Question number 5 question is so that if R is an equivalence relation, on X, then domain of R equal to range of R equal to X. A question रे ही आंसर अच्छी. A question in itself gives the answer. किंतु क्वेश्चन को ठीक रे बुझिबा दरकार और कांसेप्ट को रिलेटेड करिबा दरकार. रिलेशन चैप्टर होची very conceptual. One who understand the concept very well, he can do the problem very easily. So first we will understand the questions, then it can be easily done. Now see, question is R is an equivalence relations. If R is an equivalence relations, domain is the set X and range is also the set X, and R is a equivalence relation on the set X. Since R is an equivalence relations, so definitely it must be a reflexive. Equivalence means it is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. So we take R is a reflexive. Okay. Since R is reflexive, that means every element of X is related to itself. That means X comma X belongs to the R. Okay. We know the definition of domain. If we define what is domain of a set of all first coordinate is called the domain. What is the range of a relation? Set of all second coordinates. Set of all the elements of the second coordinates is called the range, and we will get the same element X. So it is proved obviously. Now see, proof. What is given? Given R is an equivalence relation. Is an equivalence relation. Equivalence, that means R is reflexive. Since it is equivalence means it must be reflexive. So we know the definition of reflexive. X comma X belongs to R for all X belongs to X. X is the given set. Any arbitrary element is X. Taking any X, this XX belongs to R. Okay. Since XX belongs to R, we know the domain of a relation. Domain is a set which contains the first coordinates of the relation of the order pair. Now, so we can write domain of R equal to set X. Set X. And range is also the second coordinate, set of all the second coordinate, that is equal to range of R. And for all X means any element is present in the set X, and that is nothing, this is equal to X. So it is proved. Only you should know the concept, but the question is very easy. In the question there was an answer. Okay, thank you.